Welcome back to Stock Talk Trades. If you guys haven't already, consider subscribing. It helps out the channel and you can stay up to date on your favorite cryptos. Sorry I haven't been posting the past few days. I've been very sick and I'm still recovering, but I figured I should continue to get out and get content out for you guys. My mind is there, but my body is not there. My throat hurts and it hurts to talk, but I'm going to continue to push through because you guys need to stay up to date. And I love making videos for you guys. I hate when I can't because I'm just not on my routine. This is what I do every single day. I chart and help community build each other up and help them with their dreams of becoming financially free. If you guys are interested in our free newsletter, we actually take the scanners, these $2,000 scanners that professional seven-figure traders use. We send those scanners out to you guys for free every single day in the morning. Newsletter. It's Alpha Newsletter. Links down below. It's free. All you have to do is put in your email so we can actually deliver it to you guys. And I think you'll find a lot of value out of that. So go check that out. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. At 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving away $100. On the weekly chart, we actually did break below this 50% level and are now finding resistance there. That is not good. We did break above the 61% level. So we are finding support somewhere in here. And we did kind of find support at that 78.6 level. Again, these are zones. They're not actual prices. And we have some price targets. Again, somewhere in here. That's around 50 cents. I think that's very possible and that could happen. And we could absolutely go parabolic from here because we just bounced off. Look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 6. So we could potentially continue to pull up on this uptrend. This uptrend is very, very strong. But again, we could very well just consolidate here in between these price levels and move along until we actually decide what's going to happen. Actually, let's take a peek at some Fibonacci retracements in the short term. Again, it pulled back to that 78.6. That's not good, but it did hold that level. So if we look at Fibonacci extensions, let's look at the other 78.6. That's right there at 48 cents. So that's a price target that we have for VeChain. Let's go ahead and zoom in on the daily chart. Look at what could happen in the next few days. Again, this looks exactly like every other crypto right now, every other altcoin. So if we could actually hold this uptrend, we are making these higher lows. So I'd like to continue to do that. Eventually break, but this could, look, this is almost a textbook bear flag. So, but again, doesn't have to go down. This is 80% down, 20% in the uptrend. Plus, we hit our head on that 50% Fibonacci level. So it's not looking good for VeChain or most of the crypto market. But again, it's all about probability, so anything can happen. I'm not totally bumming out about that. I do want to, I'm really going to say I'm actually going to draw a box there. If we can't, I would like to break above really like be confident around this level somewhere in here. I really wanted to figure out where it's going to go. I'm not confident in anything where in any price action unless it kind of breaks down, touches it, continues to push back, or if it breaks up, pulls back, and continues to push up. What? So again, we have this doji candle. This is actually, see how I talk about this a lot. There's stuff to the left, so it's not super strong. If we look at this, there's other price action in here. See if this doji candle happened again. There's a very long wick, but it's not a doji candle because there's a large body. But let's say I'm trying to find, yeah. See, here's a long candle. There's not much to the left. That indicates a reversal. Let's try to find some more. Again, there's this to the left, so I wouldn't have taken it. Again, it's still valid, but it's not valid enough for me, and you have to only take the A1 setups. So this still means that the sellers brought it down, buyers brought it straight back up. So the buyers were in control for this candle, so it could potentially continue to push, and that's exactly what happened on this next candle. But it's not 100% for me. I wouldn't have taken this trade just off this. I always have to have multiple technical indicators saying that it's going to be pushing up. Anyways, we are hitting our head on that 21 EMA, but I do think we will continue to push up with the whole market, because Bitcoin is running. Then I think tomorrow most of the altcoins will be running while Bitcoin is kind of consolidating or even coming down. And potentially, I would ideally break above this 21 EMA and kind of get squeezed in between this 50% level and this 21 EMA and kind of squeeze out, touch it, and then we're off to the races. And that's going to be it for a VeChain. I'm keeping these nice and short, trying to get through them. My throw hurts, just kind of don't really want to go talk and just talk. I'm just giving you guys the most valid technicals. And just don't want to waste your time, but love y'all. Peace.